Today I'll be unboxing the LG V60, which is a phone that was released on March 20th of 2020. LG has since ceased production of their smartphones, and their remaining smartphones will be available until the inventory runs out. Now this phone comes with 8 gigs of RAM. It supports 5G wireless communication. It comes in either 128 gig or 256 gig model. You have a microSD slot, a headphone jack, which is actually, I believe they call it a DAC headphone jack, which supports higher quality audio performance. And it has a 5,000 milliamp battery, 1080 display. It supports wireless charging, has 3 rear cameras and one front facing camera, and it also can support up to 8K video recording, and it's stocked with Android 10. Now let's begin this unboxing. Now as you see, I don't actually want to show you guys that label because I believe that's like personalized to the person buying it, but let's just I'll open up this box. Ooh. I like how they box things. It makes, you know, the presentation looks very, very nice. All right, so looks like it comes with a cloth, which I'll probably lose, and it is pretty heavy. Well, compared to my LG V40, it feels heavier. And this was the only color that they had at T-Mobile. It does look very, very sleek. I do not like having stickers on my phone. I'm probably going to get rid of that. And we also have the SIM card that comes with it. We have, let's see what else we get. Little second year or 2-year warranty that comes with. And what else do we get? Ooh, it has a manual. Don't really need that. And then it also has a what is it called? This thing, which can be used to open up the port on the phone that the micro SD and the SD slot is located in. Right there, boom. And then it also comes with a charger. So it looks very, very sleek. You know, obviously I'm gonna have a case on this phone. I can't imagine not having a case on it. Let's see if it just turns on. So it was manufactured in 09/2020. So what is that, September? So feels very, very nice and smooth. Well, I'll probably do this setup in another video. Thanks for watching. That's the unboxing. Actually, you know what? Matter of fact, why don't I just run through all this stuff? Yeah, skip. Yeah, I live in, where's Eastern? Here, where's New York at? Gosh darn it. Eastern Standard Time, there we go. 26, it is, it's like close to 3, like 3:30 right now. Today is actually my sister's birthdays. Do that later. Very, very smooth. All right, and there it is. Later for that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and have a nice day. Peace.